Good morning, boys and girls. We are getting ready to do our word of the day. So, making sure you have a paper in front of you with your name on it. And today's date, it's a new month. It's now April. So, we're going to start with number 4 dash, and today is April 6th. So, 4 6 20. So making sure you have your name and your date on your paper, and your word today is cab. Cab. Another word for a taxi is a cab. Write the word cab. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to get started on writing our word cab. Let's stretch it out. Ready? Ab. Cab. Count how many sounds. Ab. How many sounds did you get? I hope you said 3. Here we go. Tell me, what's our first sound in cab? And for this one, it's going to be letter C, not letter K. Ah, or like an Addie and Alex and Alexandra. Ab. Making sure we draw a B, a belly. We're going to start all the way at the top. Big line down, up, bubble around. Okay, write the word cab. I hope you're now starting to think of words that rhyme with cab. Remember, for it to rhyme, it's going to have to say ab at the end. Making sure we're trying to think of some real words also, not just silly words. Okay, write your rhyming word. Today I'm going to see, let me think. Cab, dab, fab. Oh, is fab a real word though? Yeah, that's a silly word. Jab. That means to like poke at. I think because I know you guys all like to dab, I'm gonna write the word dab. So dab. I hope you have your rhyming word. Okay, now we are gonna make our sentence for today. So I told you already that a cab is like another word for a taxi. So when I think of a cab, I think, what color is it gonna be? Yeah, yellow, and sometimes even black. So our sentence today is the cab is black and yellow. Okay, ready? Count how many words are in our sentence. The cab is black and yellow. 5 and 1 is how many? 6. Good. Okay, so I'm going to start my sentence all the way at the side. And when I start my sentence, what kind of letter do I need? Lowercase or capital. Good. So I'm going to start. And oh, the is a sight word. How do I write the? Good. T-H-E. Making sure you're writing it with me. The, what comes next? Cab. Good. That's our word from today. You know how to spell it. Okay, pointer power. Let's read it. The cab is. Is a sight word. Show me how we write it. I-S. Let's read it. The cab is black. I'm running out of room on my paper, so I'm going to go to the next line. Black. Let's do it. Ready? Black. And this one is tricky because at the end, when it makes a k, it's letters C and K. Okay, let's read it. The cab is black And is a sight word. How do we spell it? A-N-D. Good. Last word. Here we go. The cab is black and yellow. Here we go. I know if we were in our classroom, we would just look up at our signs and know how to spell yellow, huh? But you should have some crayons with you so you can always look at your crayons and it will tell you the name of the color on there. Here's how we write yellow. Y. L. O. To make it say O at the end, it's O-W. And then at the end of a sentence, one more thing, what do we need? A period. Good, read your sentence one more time with me, ready? The cab is black and yellow. Okay, now go read your sentence to your mommy, daddy, brother, or sister, somebody else in your house who could listen to you read. Nice job, boys and girls.